What are cookies?
The cookies are small text files stored by your web browser when you visit websites. They hold information like login status, site preferences, and shopping cart contents. Cookies make browsing more convenient, such as helping websites remember you during future visits. Most modern websites use cookies to enhance user experience and keep track of user activity across pages.
How cookies function.
When you visit a website, your browser receives a cookie that it stores locally. Each time you return to that site, your browser sends the cookie back to the website's server. This allows websites to recognize you, maintain sessions, and provide personalized features such as saved language settings or recently viewed items.
Types of cookies.
There are several types of cookies. Session cookies are temporary and deleted when you close your browser. Persistent cookies remain on your device for a set period. First-party cookies are set by the site you're visiting, while third-party cookies are set by external services like advertisers for tracking and analytics.
Security risks to watch for.
The previous user message can pose security risks if not properly managed. Attackers may try to steal cookies to gain unauthorized access to your accounts. Risks include session hijacking, where someone uses your cookie to impersonate you.
Staying safe with cookies.
You can enhance your safety by only enabling cookies from trusted sites, regularly clearing cookies, and avoiding public networks when accessing sensitive accounts. Web developers should use features like the secure and HTTP-only cookie flags to prevent unauthorized access. Understanding how cookies work helps you make informed decisions when managing privacy settings online.